Good morning, and welcome to episode 37 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, July 28th, 2021. This week, I'm freshly back from attending a conference in Rapid City, South Dakota. It was Freedomfest 2021. There were over 2,700 attendees there last week, and I have a theory. Most of them, I think, just wanted to put on pants and get out of the house. But we had an all-star lineup of speakers and exhibitors there, and I think everybody got good value. From my personal standpoint, I'm happy to be back home, sleeping in my own bed, recording here from Asset Strategies offices. We covered a lot of ground last week. We had the Bitcoin versus gold debate where we got a lot of positive feedback. People were telling us that it's the first time they saw a Bitcoin versus gold debate where it wasn't a zero-sum gain, an either-or situation, that all the panelists made the case that there was room for both assets in your portfolio to fulfill different purposes, and that we all did a good job of bringing out both the challenges and the benefits of either asset. So that was positive. We also covered different ways to own precious metals depending on your goals and objectives, and there was a cautionary note as well for the predators that are going to be entering into this market as it heats up. Just be careful out there. There are certain things you can do, and call us and we can cover them with you to go ahead and protect yourself from folks that looking to separate you from your money as opposed to helping you achieve your goals and objectives. But out of 2,700 people, you'd think there'd be a whole bunch of different questions. There was really one question, period, and that's it, that was on people's minds, whether it be at the booth or in casual settings. This is what came up, and I'll sum it up from John J. from San Diego. He says, "All I hear about these days is inflation, but gold just seems to be sitting there. When will gold finally start moving higher?" John, I feel you, and obviously everybody out there is asking the same question. You'll see in the prices here in a second that we continue to range trade and struggle with key resistance levels. But all I could say about this is relax. Gold's been doing its job for thousands and thousands of years. It will do its job in this case as well. As the inflationary pressures swell, you will see gold move higher. There's no question in my mind. We're in the middle of a commodity super cycle, just getting underway over the past few years. Precious metals have been surging and are now consolidating and taking stock at these levels, but it's not the end of the game. We're very early in what's typically a 10-year bull market. You have the pressure that will come to bear from a 25% expansion of the US dollar money supply. All I can say about these low levels right now in the summer doldrums of 2021 is it is a gift. You've got low prices, lower than they ought to be. You've got premiums starting to come back down for the first time in over a year. These are gifts that should be embraced. Take advantage of them, buy well. You will be happy in the end that you did so. Let's take a look at the prices over the past week. Not a whole lot going on here. Gold is down to $1799.90, 10 cents below that 1800 mark this morning from 1802.90 last week. It's down not even 0.25%, barely flat, basically flat. Silver's down to 24.88, down about 1.25% from 25.22 last week. Platinum is down 2% to 1,056 from 1,078, and palladium is down 1.75% to 26.93 this morning from 27.44 last week. The gold-silver ratio, with silver falling and gold kind of staying flat, is up a little to 72.62. A long way yet in this bull market to get down to that 35 to 50 level. And your dollar, you would think, would be up with all the metals dropping slightly this past week. It's down as well at 92.55. So stay the course, keep calm and carry on. make no mistake, gold will do its job. As always, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to like us, to send us your comments and questions like John did so we can go ahead and put them on the air and share that knowledge with everyone. Please follow Asset Strategies on the various social media channels. Subscribe to Information Line, our monthly newsletter coming out a week from tomorrow, and our twice weekly Always Something Interesting alerts. And please don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.